Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lina. Maginaot ko nga tagan pa ka daghang mga katuigan sa imong birthday. Mayang pangayo sa Ginoo nga ilikay ka sa mga sakit o sa mga disgrasya ka talaga. Lord, tagay si Lina og maayong panglawas sa idang pagpanarbaho. Happy birthday, Lina.
Happy birthday, ma. I wish you all the best, ma. Akong wish is na unta tagaan ka premyo og kabaskog sa lawas o kalinaw sa pangunahuna ug gilikay ka sa mga sakit-sakit labi na sa mga daotan. Sinsya mo guwa ko diha para i-celebrate ang birthday nimo ron. Basta lang, ma, I always be there for you. Be happy lang sa umaabot din mo na birthday, ma. Enjoy ang adlaw kay imo ra ba nang adlaw na. Happy birthday, ma. I always love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Always. Sa usa pa day, ma. Thank you day pud sa tanan-tanan mo. Thank you sa care. Thank you kay nako yung mama na pinaka the best sa wala ay ako yamahan pero wala gyapon nagkulang akong mama. Makaingon ko na I'm so proud to be your son. Proud po ko kayo na namamata ka. Ay wala na ilaing pinakagwapa. Ito. Ay basta, ma, i-enjoy yung imong adlaw sa imong birthday kay imar ba ng adlaw 1 year para ba mo balik bago na po mag-birthday ko sa maong I always love you. I love you, ma. Happy birthday my mama Lina na pinakagwapa. Happy birthday. Bye bye kay nanay mga customer magsugod ay magkuha na mi magluto sa ako kay nanay ming order. Bye bye. I love you, ma. I love you, I love you, I love you. Bye bye, ma. Bye bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa akong mama na pinakagwapa. Bye bye. Amping diha per mi, ma. Kaon sa saktong oras. So buo sa lahat ayaw pagutom. Take care permente sa imong kaugalingan. Tama ra tama. Bye bye. I love you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Tita. I know these greetings is not enough, but I want you to say thank you. Thank you for everything. I know I said it many times, but I will not get tired of saying thank you. Thank you for making us happy, for treating me and my sibling like your own child. Thank you for giving us needs even we don't ask for it. Thank you for always being there when we need you. Thank you for letting us to experience the things we didn't expect that we can experience at this age. Thank you so much, Tita. No word can explain how much we're thankful we have you as our Tita in life. And no word can explain how much thankful we have to you as our Tita in life. And no word can say how much we love you. I wish you all the best in life. May you achieve all your dreams. May God heal all your pain and guide you at all times. Don't forget to take a rest, Teta. Don't forget to take care of yourself. You done enough. We are so proud of you. I promise I will do my best to make you proud someday. When my times come, I will make sure ako naman ang magtitreat sa inyo. And happy birthday, Tita. For now, these greetings is all I can. I don't have any gifts to give, but I will make sure that someday. Happy birthday, my idol. You're the best of all the best. Mahal ka namin. I love you.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate Lina. More birthday to come in your life. More candles to blow. Always happy and enjoy your birthday. God bless. I love you and I miss you, Ate Lina. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Mama La.
Happy birthday, Te. More birthday to come and more candles to blow. Pag-amping diha kanunay and stay healthy always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama La. Happy birthday, Mama La.
I love you, Te.
Hi nang, happy birthday. Unta tagaan kag kanunay baskog sa panglawas. Ilubay na sa imong trabaho nga to kaslayo. Og happy birthday nang amping ka kanunay.
Happy birthday, Malina. Happy birthday, Malina. Happy birthday, Malina. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Malina.
Hi, Ate Lina. Happy birthday to you. More years to come and good health kanunay. Stay humble, ate. Salamat sa kanunay, sa imong pagkabukutan namo and ampo lang sa Ginoo kanunay.
Happy birthday, Ate Lina. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are.
Happy birthday sa aming pinakamamahal na nanay, Mami Lina. Marami pa sanang blessing na mula kay God ang ipagkaloob sa iyo. You deserve it, Mami. Dahil mabuti kang tao, maging masaya at espesyal sana ang araw na ito para sa iyo. Mami, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng kabutihan at pagmamahal mo sa amin. Maraming salamat, Mami. Mahal na mahal ka namin at sana lagi kang nasa mabuti at always good health, Mami. At maraming pang birthday na darating sa iyo. Mami, lagi mo tandaan, nandito lang kami para sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you, Mami. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Linda. More birthday to come in your life. And stay strong always. And once again, happy birthday, Ate Linda. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mama Lina. Happy
Day to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Lago pa hilata ko song.
Happy birthday, Ate Lina. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Lina. Ikaw ba?
Birthday, Manila.
Love you.
Love you.
Yay!